Hi, you guys, welcome back. Don't mind how my hair looks like right now because I'm getting ready for a Diwali party. So come get ready with me. Diwali has always been my most favorite festival, and it's going to be my second Diwali as a Sony in Bangalore. And I think I'm always going to miss Diwali back home. It's always so much fun. We chill at the society. It just means good food, family pictures, and chilling with friends throughout the night until I see the sunrise. And I have never been the biggest advocate for firecrackers because Chiku, my pet dog, just doesn't like it. Also, I used Embryolisse for my moisturizer and moving ahead with the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. I will need pictures with everyone together in groups. It's just something that I've always loved. And last year was my first year away from them. And I cried. I cried so hard. I think I ruined Diwali for me and my husband because I was like, I just want to go home. Also, do you see how beautiful my skin is looking with all of that skin prep? I'm using the NARS concealer in the shade Biscuit to correct my pigmentations. So I was talking about last year where I just ruined Diwali for myself and my husband. I literally could not video call my parents because I was having so much FOMO, and I could literally sense that they're missing me too because they were sending me videos, and I can already cry talking about it. So that's like crazy. This year I'm a little positive in my mindset, and I'm thinking ki, yes, I really want to enjoy my favorite festival ever. And to be honest, it's been almost 2 years, and I feel as if I've like now grown into Bangalore and everyone at home over here. And I think I will try not to be a spoil sport. I am already excited. I've already picked up my outfit. I want to wear this, which I didn't last year. Last year I was like, oh, I don't know what am I doing, etc., etc. For my foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Vanilla, using my Defi sponge and just tapping it in and applying it. I just realized that after coming back from my Thailand trip, I have tanned, that this is my original shade and I have really tanned. But I think I'm going to work it with my contour and everything and make it better. You know, when like you get married, there's so many things that changes the way people celebrate festivals, the way people um like I have been an only daughter in my house, so I've literally been very irritating for my family. Ki no means no. I really want to take a picture. I really want like a family picture. That means that's it. But I think that this time as well, I'm going to be very rebellious, telling my family that over here that I really need a family picture. You are also family for me. Family pictures matter a lot. It just shows like when you go back and check in time how we've all grown up. I've always compared family pictures, and I just want the same over here as well. And it's super crazy how my family here, my Sony family here, is they're very simple people, very soft spoken, and I am a wild girl, and they have accepted me how I am, and with all the dramas and all the nakras that I can have. And they're the sweetest people who would be like, okay, we'll do it. Because last year, also, even after crying like shitloads, I literally was like, I want pictures. And these people were kind enough, even after I cried like crazy, they were like, oh, come, we'll take a family picture together. So that was super sweet, and that is why I feel much more relaxed. Diwali means sparkle, so I am going to use a lot of highlighter and hydrate the hell out of me. And I'm just gonna use the Rare Beauty highlighter and just tap, tap, tap on the high points of my face with my finger. Further highlighting my face with the NARS concealer in the shade Custard. Blend, blend, blend. And setting it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I have a mini one, so I thought, why not use this? As soon as Diwali comes up, I start missing Calcutta too much, especially Chiku. Chiku is the sweetest boy ever. He's my pet and has always been super chill with the firecrackers, but this time he is so scared. And my mother always tells me that he's always crying a little and everything. And my deepest fear has come alive because people are so ruthless with firecrackers, and I haven't touched a firecracker in years now because I have Chiku. And before that, also, I've always loved animals. And as soon as I got to know that it's hard for them and everything, I don't. And Chiku definitely is the goodest boy ever because I have my grandparents who stay at home. I think he loves my grandparents more than anyone because they're the ones who stay at home throughout the day. And they were the ones who were against him, but now I always find him. Under my dadi's sari or literally next to her. And just because it's Diwali and he's so scared, he feels as if everybody's scared. So he sleeps only with them because he thinks that he can protect them, which is so cute. I'm wearing a pink outfit, so I'm loading myself with pink blush all over my face. Setting everything with my spray. Gonna do my brows now. I think I need to stop talking and start getting ready because I am super duper late. I just realized while the sun was setting that, buddy, it's too late. I didn't even think about doing chit chat, but as it's Diwali, it just flowed from me. I'm going to show you the quickest way to do a very glam eye. I'm just using my blush and putting it on the crease. It's like an extension to my blush over here. Just using circular and windshield motions. Then using this Kaja eyeshadow pots, using the lightest shade, putting it on my finger and lightly just tapping it all over my lids. Then using this pink shade and adding a tinge of this burgundy, tipping it off on the back of my hand and very lightly defining my crease. Moving ahead with this pink shimmer and applying it right in the middle to get that extra pop. Moving ahead with my liner, adding a very thin liner and winging it out. Then I'm putting loads of mascara. I think I'm going to do my lips after I get dressed, so be right back. I am ready. I am wearing this beautiful pink drape sari from Kalki. I got this from my bridal trousseau. And for lips, I'm going to use the Mrucha's limited edition Diwali lip kit in the shade Gulabi Glow. It has a lip liner, lipstick, and a gloss. I think it's time for me to open these rollers. Let's open. It's actually my first time putting rollers on myself, and I've already messed up, I think. But wait a second. Oh wow, man, this looks super cute. Using the lip liner in the shade Whoop. Using the lipstick in the shade Puffin. What is Diwali without that extra shine? So I'm using the gloss in the shade Sparkling. This smells super good. I just want to see how long this lasts because this is my first time trying this gloss as well. So yeah, that was it. This is how my makeup looks and my whole outfit, and I'm super happy with how this looks. So comment down below what Diwali means to you, and have a great, safe Diwali, you guys. Till then, I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.